weeks after a brutal terror attack that killed 26 civilians near Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir, India launched a precision cross-border military strike codenamed Operation Sindoor. 9 terror-linked sites in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir were struck with air-launched missiles. But what made these 9 targets significant? Why were they chosen? In yesterday's press briefing, Indian Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri said that the goal was to dismantle terrorist infrastructure inside Pakistan and disrupt future infiltrations. According to Indian intelligence and military officials, Pakistan has built a sophisticated web over 3 decades, training camps, indoctrination centers, and launch pads. These facilities feed terrorism in Kashmir and across India. So the 9 targets were picked based on credible intel and carefully chosen to avoid civilian casualties. Let's take a look at these one by one. Markaz Toiba Murid Ke, which is in Punjab. This is Lashkar-e-Toiba's headquarters run by Hafiz Saeed, the mastermind of 26/11. It's where Ajmal Kasab and other Mumbai attackers were trained. The campus spans 200 acres and includes mosques, schools, and even farmland. A symbol of terror is the ideological spine of LED. Markaz Subhanallah, Bahawalpur, Punjab. This is Jaish-e-Mohammed's headquarters, founded by Masood Azhar after the IC-814 hijacking. It's the base for planning, training, and radicalizing new recruits. These 2 sites represent the brain and backbone of 2 of India's most wanted terror groups. Sawai Nala, Muzaffarabad, a major LET training hub. The Pahalgam attackers were trained here. It's been active since the 90s and has a long history tied to attacks across India. Sayyidina Bilal, Muzaffarabad, a combined Jaish-e-Mohammed Lashkar-e-Toiba camp with reported involvement of Pakistan's special forces. It's used for explosives and guerrilla warfare training. Barnala, Bhimber. Near the LOC, this camp prepares militants for mountain warfare and acts as a launchpad for infiltration into Kashmir. Abbas Camp, Kotli, known for training Fedayeen or suicide attackers. It's alarmingly close to a Pakistani military base and linked to a past high-casualty attacks like the 2016 Uri attack. Gulpur, Kotli. This camp feeds terror into the Rajouri and Poonch regions, where recent attacks on civilians and army personnel have occurred. Camps near Punjab border entry points to India. Sarjal, Narowar. Just 6 kilometers from the international border, it's used to regroup and stage infiltrations. Terrorists behind the Kathua attack earlier this year were trained here. Mehmona Joya, Sialkot. An initial training and launch site for Hizbul Mujahideen operatives entering via Jammu and Punjab routes. And that's why these 9 targets were hit. Operation Sindoor was a calculated strike on the most dangerous nodes of cross-border terrorism, camps that have, time and again, played a role in attacks on Indian soil.